Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete all replies on X. Let me open X on my phone, and now I need to tap my profile picture at the top left and then go to your profile. So here, as you can see, I have several sections such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. You want to enter replies section and find exact reply that you want to delete, and basically tap three-dot button right here and select delete post, and of course confirm your decision by tapping delete. So and you have to repeat that as many times as you need to, or if you don't want to do it all manually, you have to use some third-party tools to help you delete all your replies at once. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.